What's the deal, YouTube family? It's your guy, Lonnie McFly, the flyest guy in the past, present, and future. And I'm here today to bring you part two of the second day review of the SL10 H Saint Laurent sneakers. The second day was a lot better than the first day, a lot less painful. The solution that I did with the widening of the toe box definitely worked. One of the drawbacks to this solution, though, is the shoe was a little bit too wide now. It kind of reminds me a little bit of a skate shoe. It looks like a Van or a Dunk or something like that when it's on my foot, and as you can see, it's because I've laced it so wide. Now, right now, the issue with the toe box has gone away. The pain has gone away. Even though it did feel like the toe box was chasing my baby toe around the shoe, it was significantly a lot better than the first time when I wore the shoe. So my solution to that is I'm going to tighten the laces up a little bit more. As you can see, I did decide to keep the factory lacing for right now. Eventually, I will be getting rid of that. But overall, for the second day review, that was really the only problem with the shoe for the second day review. The comfort is a lot better. It's definitely getting more and more broken in. Still the same amount of compliments. Really comfortable shoe. The thing I like about it though is the sole. It feels like kind of springy, kind of spongy. I've never felt the sole like that. It's really nice to walk in. It's almost like when you put your foot down, your foot kind of bounces back up. Kind of like a pair of Vapor Maxes if you ever tried on a pair of those. You get that kind of similar feel, but not so airy so much. Yeah, so I think this will conclude my part two of my day two video. Tune in for part three, and we're gonna keep coming up with some more reviews and let you know my day-to-day experience with these. Please like, subscribe, and comment in the section below. Thank you.